province of Zambales. I am currently taking the Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. Zambales is home of the ripe mangoes and beautiful tourist spots. So I, as an aspiring teacher, would really like to not just promote but to teach. Not to teach the hearts of every Filipino people my advocacy, which is tourism preservation and restoration. Because I do believe that what was once lost and must be restored, and what was once and the beautiful things must be taken care of. Because I do believe that everyone must experience the beauty that we have today. Thank you very much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.